Hi, I'm English Teacher KBob, and today I want to talk about how adult ESL beginners can start speaking English today, right now. Many adults, in fact, a lot of adults, think they need to speak perfect English before they begin speaking. Well, that's just not true. If you spoke perfect English, you would need to learn English. You learn by practice, not by perfection. You need to get comfortable with making mistakes. That's really one of the best ways, if not the only way, to learn is to learn from your mistakes. Today, I want to show you a simple way that beginners can learn English today. Are you ready? Many students understand English. They might even know the vocabulary. But when it comes to speaking, they get nervous. They're afraid of making mistakes in front of other people. You've got to get over that. You've got to. You're going to learn by doing, not just by listening, not just by hoping. You learn by doing. And doing means practice, and practicing a lot. Start with a short sentence like, I woke up at 6. Or I drank coffee, or I went to work. These are short, simple sentences, but they help you practice real communication in English. Speaking short sentences in English every day builds confidence. After you say a simple sentence, you can add more information. For example, you can say, I work, but you can say, I work at a restaurant. I work at a restaurant in Covina. I work at a restaurant in Covina from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. I work in a restaurant in Covina from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock on Monday through Friday. You can keep building the sentence, but start with a short sentence. Build a little bit at a time and practice it daily, just for a few minutes. You don't have to practice for hours. Learning English grows naturally by practicing for small amounts of time, 5 to 10 minutes at a time. You don't have to practice hours and hours, and you don't need to memorize everything. You build a little at a time. As I said, you only need a few minutes, so try this. For 1 minute, say 3 sentences about your day. For 1 minute. For another minute, repeat the sentences. For another minute, improve one of the 3 sentences. And for 2 minutes, write 2 new sentences. This small, steady habit will help you improve quickly if you do it regularly. If you want to practice this method, I've created a worksheet that's on my website, KBobTeacher.com, and you can download it and practice yourself. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you for learning English with me. Have a good day.